Structured from least to most, here are the most expensive Russian military jets. And all prices indicate per unit cost, not including research and development costs. The aircraft on this list include jets in a fighter or attack role. So, without further ado, enjoy learning about the most expensive military jets from Russian Air Force. Number 5. Sukhoi 30SM. The Sukhoi Su-30SM multi-role fighter is the variant of the Su-30MK family of jet fighters designed specifically for the Russian Air Force. The Su-30 is piloted by a crew of 2. The fighter is powered by 2 Al-31FP bypass turbojet engines, giving the jet a maximum speed of nearly 1,500 miles per hour. The Su-30's maximum operational altitude is about 56,000 feet. Su-30 cost $37.5 million. Number 4. Sukhoi 27. Russia ordered the Su-27 Flanker in response to American fourth-generation jet fighters, the F-14 Tomcat and F-15 Eagle. The Su-27 is a multi-role air superiority fighter that's been in service since 1985. The U.S. Department of Defense actually bought several Sukhoi Su-27s in order to test its own military's preparedness against the jet fighter. The Sukhoi Su-27 is powered by twin Saturn Lyulka Al-31F turbofans, giving the aircraft a maximum speed over Mach 2. Su-27 cost $41.2 million. Number 3. Mig35 Fulcrum. This 4.5 generation fighter is an offshoot of the MiG-29, thus they share a name. This multi-role fighter contains advanced avionics and 2 RD-33 MKV engines that give it an estimated maximum speed of Mach 2.2. Although it hasn't entered service, the public had opportunities to see the MiG-35 in action. At an airshow in 2005, the MiG-35 Fulcrum displayed its maneuverability to the crowd. It made a lasting impression because many now believe that the super maneuverability capability of the MiG-35 is its best feature. MiG-35 cost $50 million. Number 2. Sukhoi Su-15. The Sukhoi Su-15 is a stealth, single-seat, twin-engine multi-role fifth-generation jet fighter being developed since 2002 for air superiority and attack operations. The aircraft is the product of the PAK-FA, a fifth-generation fighter program of the Russian Air Force. Sukhoi's internal name for the aircraft is T-50. The Su-15 is planned to be the first aircraft in Russian military service to use stealth technology. Its maiden flight took place on January 29, 2010, and the first production aircraft is to be delivered in 2019 with a second to follow in 2020. Su-15 cost $50 million. Number 1. Sukhoi 35 Flanker. The latest in the Russia-made Sukhoi family of military fighter jets, the Su-35 Flanker is a single-seat, twin-engine multi-role fighter. It is an offshoot the Su-27 Flanker. The updated Flanker is labeled as a 4.5 generation fighter designed as an intermittent aircraft until the 5th generation Sukhoi PAK-FA is debuted. 2 Lyulka Al-31FM afterburning turbofan engines power the Su-35 to a maximum speed of 1,550 miles per hour. Su-35 cost $83 million.